Hello everyone, so we're going to talk about the distributive property and like terms. You already know what like terms are, but the distributive property, you might have heard of it, but we'll review. So what is it? Let's look at what I have here. I have a 2 and on the outside of parentheses. Whenever I have parentheses, that means multiplication. So what this is the same as is 2 times 2x plus 3. Remember what multiplication means. This means I have two groups of 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3, I have it 2 times. When I put all of this together, 2x and 2x is 4x. And then I have the 3 plus the 3, that's 6. So this is the same as this. Okay. Now what's a shortcut for distribution? We can just have multiplied the 2 by the 2x and then the 2 by the 3. So let's use that shortcut here. So I have 1/2 times 4x plus 8. So I'm going to distribute it, and I'm going to use different colors so you see each piece. So 1/2 times 4, that's going to give me 2, and then that's 2x. Then I have 1/2 times 8, that's going to give me 4. If you need to use a calculator, that's okay. We can use our calculator. We're going to go to Desmos. And one second, let me move this so you see. I can put in here 1 divided by 2. Let me move myself. 1 divided by 2, which gives me 1/2, times 4, and that gave me the 2. 1/2 times 8, that gave me 4. So now if we go back to our notes, we can see that. We have 2x plus 4. Let's do this next one. I have -2 this time. Notice the negative. Negative times 8x, and then -2 times -5. -2 times 8x, that's going to give me -16x. Again, if you need to use your calculator, go ahead. Then I have -2 times -5, a negative times a negative is going to give me a positive. Okay. Now let's look here. Here's my first example. I have 5x minus 3 times 2y plus 3 plus 5. Let's think of GEMDAS. I look at my group. Here's my group, 2y plus 3. I can't do anything with it. And there's no exponent, so then I have to do the multiplication. Okay, multiplication has to go first. This is -3 times 2y plus 3. So this is what I have to do first. So I'm going to distribute the -3 to the 2y. And then I'm going to distribute the -3 to the 3. So I'll write everything. I have my 5y. I'm going to bring it down. I have -3 times 2y. That's -6y. Then I have -3 times 3. That's -9 plus 5. Okay. Now, let's see what I can combine, my like terms. I have 5y minus 6y. And then I have -9 plus 5. 5y minus 6y, that's -y. -9 plus 5, that's -4. So this is my final answer when it's simplified. Let's do one more together. Notice here I have 4 times 3x minus 5 minus -3x plus 6. This minus in front of the parentheses, that technically means I have an invisible one. So here I have two sets of multiplication I have to do. I have to do this one, and then I have to do this one. Let's start with this, and here I'll change colors so you can see. We have, let's do this one in green. We have 4 times 3x, and then 4 times negative 5. 4 times 3x, that's 12x. 4 times negative 5, that's negative 20. Now we have negative 1 times negative 3x. A negative times a negative gives us a positive, so that's positive 3x. Then we have negative 1 times positive 6, that's minus 6. Let's see what we can combine. I have 12x and 3x, that's 15x. And then I have negative 20 minus 6, that's minus 26. Here is our final answer.